Hi everyone, and welcome back to my beginner crochet series. Today I'm going to show you guys how to work a single crochet stitch. So to start off, I've made 11 chains, and to begin single crocheting you're going to want to work your first stitch into the second chain from your hook. So skip that first chain and insert your hook into the chain next to it. So you have one loop on your hook and then the chain that's closest to your hook, and then you want to insert your hook into the chain that is the second one from your hook. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, and pull through both loops. That's one single crochet made. Again, insert your hook into the chain next to your first single crochet, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. And then into the third chain, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. So I've made 3 single crochets so far, and you're just going to want to continue like this all the way down the length of the chain. So once you reach the end, you should have a total of 10 single crochet. Okay, and I'm at the end now. You can see that that's the slip knot that we made in the beginning, and you should have 10 single crochet total. You can double check that and count your work by rotating it, and you can see that each single crochet makes a little V, and it's super easy to count. Just count each V, and each V is 1 single crochet, so you should have a total of 10. And to start the next row, you're going to want to yarn over and pull it through the loop on your hook. So that's a chain 1. After you chain 1, we're going to turn our work and now work our way back across the row for row 2. So to begin row 2, there's your chain that you just made. Your first stitch is going to be made into the very last single crochet that you made in the previous row. So you can see the little V that it makes. You want to insert your hook underneath that so that the V is on top of your hook. So there's the front part of the V, and there's the back part. You want to make sure that your hook is going underneath both of those. So let me show you again. Just insert your hook and then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. So that's 1 single crochet. You're going to do this all the way across the row. So again, insert your hook into the stitch right next to the one that you just made. Be sure that it's under both loops of the V. Then yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. Okay, and I'm reaching the end of the row. Make sure that you don't skip the very last stitch of the row. That can sometimes be hard to miss. So insert your hook into the last stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both, and you should have 10 single crochet. So again, you can count it by just counting the V's and making sure that there's 10 of them. So to start your third row, you're going to do the same exact thing, make a chain, turn your work, and then you can work back across your row just as you did before to start row 3.